Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update about the latest bikes, reviews, and all things two-wheelers. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda CB150F, a bike that's turning heads with its stylish design, reliable performance, and impressive features. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Honda CB150F has a sporty yet elegant look that's perfect for both city rides and long commutes. It comes with a sleek fuel tank, sharp edges, and an aggressive front fascia that screams modernity. The LED headlamp and tail lamp add a premium touch while improving visibility during night rides. Honda has also introduced new color schemes and graphics this year, giving the bike a fresh and dynamic appearance. Whether you're a college student or a daily commuter, this bike will definitely make you stand out on the road. Now, let's get into the heart of the matter, the engine. The CB150F is powered by a 149 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that delivers a smooth and efficient performance. This engine produces around 13 horsepower and 13.8 Nm of torque, which is perfect for city traffic and occasional highway trips. The 5-speed transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, and the bike offers a comfortable cruising experience at mid-range speeds. Honda has also focused on fuel efficiency, making the CB150F an economical option for daily riders. With an average fuel consumption of around 45 to 50 km/L, you can cover more miles without worrying about frequent fuel stops. Plus, the 13-liter fuel tank capacity means you can enjoy longer rides with fewer refuels. In terms of comfort, the Honda CB150F does not disappoint. The bike is equipped with a well-padded seat that offers good support for both the rider and the pillion. The riding posture is upright, reducing fatigue during long journeys. The suspension system, featuring telescopic forks at the front and a rear monoshock, absorbs bumps and uneven roads effectively, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough surfaces. Safety is another area where the CB150F shines. It comes with a front disc brake and a rear drum brake, providing reliable stopping power. Honda has also equipped the bike with tubeless tires, which offer better grip and reduce the chances of sudden punctures. Additionally, the new model features an engine kill switch for added safety and convenience. The digital analog instrument cluster is another highlight of the 2025 Honda CB150F. It displays essential information like speed, fuel level, trip meter, and gear position. The setup is easy to read and adds a modern touch to the bike's cockpit. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Honda CB150F comes with a price tag of around PKR 500,000 in Pakistan. While this might seem a bit on the higher side, the bike justifies its price with its reliable performance, stylish design, and trusted Honda durability. It's a great investment for anyone looking for a versatile and efficient commuter bike. If you're considering buying the 2025 Honda CB150F, it's worth noting the brand's strong after-sales service and availability of spare parts. Honda's extensive dealership network ensures that maintenance and repairs are hassle-free, giving you peace of mind as a bike owner. So, what do you think about the 2025 Honda CB150F? Does it tick all the boxes for your next bike? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you've already ridden this bike, share your experience. It might help others in making their decision. Thanks for sticking around until the end of the video. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We've got exciting reviews, comparisons, and tips lined up for you, so stay tuned. Until next time, ride safe and take care.